Yeah, hello, good evening, friends. Uh, let me welcome you to our class tonight, case study class. My name is Deji, and I will be taking you through this case study class for this diet. I promise you that if you can pay attention, case study is something, it will be a walkover for you. To be a walkover. Just pay attention, do not meet the classes. You have questions, you can chat me up, you can talk to me. Okay, straight away, let's go to introduction to case study. Before we talk of case study, what is case study actually? Is case study, let me just bring it down to a literal meaning. It's an icon course that brings life cases to professional students for them to analyze, relate with, and submit their judgment and principally provide solutions. That is the principal thing. You have to, beside your ability to identify the problem, beside your ability to interrelate, you must be able to provide us professional solution. That is, it is at this point that you have a edgeway with a case study. Okay, so introduction to case study. Chartered accountants are financial and business advisors. Now, this is what they are training you for. ICAN wants to train you to become a financial advisor. They want to train you to become a business analyst and an advisor. That is the purpose of this case, of this course. And as chartered accountant, your unique selling point when compared with other now this is another one. This is another one. Other professions, they have professionals there, quite all right. They have professionals, the other institute of this institute of, but there is something that makes ICAN unique, and it is about this case study. Your ability to analyze and analyze the financial data, financial statement, and the account of the business, and now relate it with their solutions, the problems rather, and the solutions. This is what outshines you as an accountant, and this is what case study wants to achieve. You understand? Okay, I hope you're following me, and that is case study for you. What do you need to uh, know to be good, to be at home with case study? I have a list of them here. Your ability to identify the business's technical and ethical issues. Your ability to identify business technical and ethical issues. Business technical issues meaning what are the compositions, what are the things that made up that business, that made the business to be that business. Then you, in that wise, you're talking about the finances. In that wise, you're talking about their what's it called, this corporate governance. In that wise, you're talking about their ethical issues, their policies, their operational values, their CSRs, corporate social responsibilities, because the environment from which they are making the money is still part of the stake, from which they, as in one of the stakeholders of the business. So these are technical things that intertwine to form the business. So your ability to identify the business technical and ethical issues is one critical factor that you have to possess for you to make a headway in case study. Then secondly, your application of this technical knowledge to identified issues. Yes, your ability to now apply. Now, I can has trained you through Some of us from foundation, where you be given the rudiments, you be given the background to all the courses you are likely to study in skills and in professional level. You know, then from there to skills, down to now to where you are now, which is the professional level. It is assumed that you are being grilled. You must have been grilled. You must have been equipped with the knowledge, with several knowledge. The knowledge you possess in SFM is very valid. The knowledge you possess in CSME, that is the one you get in skills, is very valid. The knowledge you possess in FR and CR and FA, all these financial accounting, corporate reporting, financial reporting, all those, going down to public sector accounting is still there. Going down to any other course, all these courses, especially taxation, all these skills are ways by which ICAN is equipping you to have technical knowledge to be able to apply, that you can apply on business life issues. Your ability to actually apply this technical knowledge is key to you passing the case study exam in ICAN. The next one is understanding of the business situation. That is where it is located in its life cycle. The startup, the transition, the maturity, the decline, and the generic issues it will be facing at the stage of development. Now, you see, these stages are actually uh, important for you to know. Case study scenarios will always give you where when the business started, where it is now, and where it proposes to go. This is it. Most of the answers you are expected to have to give in case study, ensure you apply your uh, forecasting knowledge in it. Ensure you apply your forecasting knowledge, especially when you are analyzing your trend analysis and you are analyzing your what's it called now, ratio analysis. Okay, I hope you're following. Now, let me reiterate what I've said so far. Your ability to identify the business, technical, and ethical issues is key for you to pass this exam. Your ability to apply what you've been taught, the knowledge, in the scenarios, the case scenario that's given to you is very key. Then the last one that we are discussing today is your understanding of the business situation, the location, and the history, the present, and the future. And I concluded by saying, whenever you are analyzing all these things, especially your trend analysis and your ratio analysis, please bear in mind that you need to forecast for us. In the next class, I will take us on how you can forecast while you are doing your analysis of your trend analysis and your ratio analysis. And some other analysis, there are some other analysis that we'll be talking about, how you can forecast it. How you can forecast it. For example, we can as well apply that to SWOT analysis. You can forecast a business. You can forecast the strength of that business. You can forecast what can happen to the business using their present strength. Do you understand it now? And even the pestle analysis also. We'll talk about all this analysis. These are like the pestle analysis was taken from what's it called now? The external factor of a business. The external factor of a business, which talks about the political, the ecological, the legal, the sociocultural, the technological, the what again? You know the rest of them. You understand it? So we'll be talking about this in subsequent classes. But for now, please, let's bear in mind these three key factors. Uh, you have to possess this knowledge. You have to possess this knowledge. You have to possess this knowledge. Thank you, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. And I'll see you in the next class. Thank you.